Naming conventions, specifying the rule to be followed by a Java programmer while writing the names of packages, classes, methods, etc. A package. Package represents of subdirectories that contains a group of classes and interfaces. Name of the package in Java written in small letters. For example, java.io, java.awt. Class or interface. Name start with a capital letter. For example, string. Here string starts with capital S. Data input stream. Capital D. Methods. The first word of a method name is in small letters. That from second word onwards, each new word starts with a capital letter. For example, read line. Here line starts with a capital L. Next is variables. Naming conventions for variable name is same as that for methods. For example, employee name. Here name starts with capital N. Constants represents fixed value that cannot be altered. Such constant should be written by using all capital letters. For example, pi max underscore value. Apart from that, all keyword should be written by using all small letters. For example, public, void, static, etc.